AI is the thing that finally makes it possible, that maybe it's easier now and maybe there's less risk. And you're absolutely right. AI isn't just some fad or trend, it's a tectonic shift in the way work is done.
How to quit your job with AI. This is Liam Ottley. I've been following this guy for a while now. He's an incredible person, when it comes to agentic AI, AI automation, or AI business as a whole. He has taught a lot. He has this AA model that you can learn how to start your own agency. And I'm making $1 or $2 on a daily basis, and I believe that this video will help you a lot.
It's the single greatest wealth creation event for individuals of our lifetime. In 30 years' time, people will look back at this exact moment as the great unlocking, the moment that the chains of the old world, the 9-to-5 corporate system, they finally began to break. And the reason it's all happening now is because of a concept that I call the solo entrepreneur's trifecta. And like I said, the CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman, predicts that the first one-person billion-dollar company is coming soon thanks to AI. And that's because he understands this trifecta and how powerful it is when used right. People will look back at this time and realize that was the moment that the power shifted into our hands. How do we take this incredible power, this solo entrepreneur's trifecta, and actually use it to build your one-person AI business? A clear financial goal that means that you can quit your job. Secondly, we need a vehicle, a proven service that you can sell to get there. And thirdly, we need a route, a secret map to find your first clients. First up is the destination. This isn't just a number, it's your freedom. And our target is going to be $10,000 a month. But let's break it down. This is the most important part. To make $10,000 a month, you don't need hundreds of customers. You just need 4 clients paying you $2,500 a month. That's it. Your entire goal over the next few months isn't to build a massive business. It's just to find 4 people that you can help. And the next logical questions are, what on earth can I sell to people for $2,500? Where do I find these 4 people? Let's talk about the next step, which is your vehicle. Okay, so now we have our destination, $10,000 a month. Now we need a vehicle to get us there. You want to play a different game, a smarter game. You want to become a niched AI automation agency. You sell one system to one type of business. This is the key. You take the entire universe of AI and you shrink it down to this one tiny manageable area that you can become an expert in fast. Now I know what you're thinking. Liam, that sounds great, but I can't build AI systems. Listen to me. That is seriously the old way of thinking. I've analyzed all the data from my community and from my own agency, and I've narrowed it down to the 4 most in-demand AI systems that beginners can build and sell right now. What's called a speed to lead system, which makes sure that they never miss any new customers when they get in touch with them. A WhatsApp or SMS AI booking system that allows customers to get in touch with businesses and book appointments around the clock. Thirdly, there is huge demand for social media AI DM bots that can handle questions incoming on things like Instagram and Facebook. And finally, what's called an AI receptionist that can answer the phone on behalf of a business, handling support questions and real-time booking. That's it. That is the vehicle that you're going to sell. Okay, so you have your destination and you have built your vehicle. Now, how do you find those first 4 clients you need to get to $10,000? So we're going to use the most highly leveraged tool that a beginner had, and that's cold outreach, specifically cold email. So cold email is leverage at its finest. You're going to write one email campaign and it's going to talk to hundreds of businesses a day for you on autopilot. Email tools that we're going to use have AI features that help you write your campaigns and even respond to emails for you to make sure that you don't leave them sitting unresponded for too long. So the next question is, who are we going to be emailing? And this is the most important part of the strategy. The easiest way to make money is to sell to people who know less than you. We're going to be going after the most AI clueless businesses you can find. So think of local businesses like HVAC companies, roofers, plumbers, home cleaners, contractors. They are years behind when it comes to AI adoption and understanding, which means the simple systems that you just learned how to build in the previous section are going to seem like magic to them. And most of these businesses need all 4 of the systems that I've picked out to you. This creates a massive knowledge gap between where they are and where your knowledge with AI is, and they'll be happy to pay you to fill that. So here's how it works. You'll get a list of leads for each type of business using a tool like Apollo.io. Then you'll send a simple email campaign for each of your 4 offers to each of those business types you've selected. After running the campaigns for a while, you'll see which niche is responding best to which offer. Maybe the plumbers love the AI receptionist and roofers love the speed to lead system. Whichever one gets the most positive replies, that's your winner, and you go all in on that combination. So just take a second now, look at what we've done. We've taken the chaos of starting a business and narrowed it down to 2 simple jobs. Your only mission is to learn, firstly, how to build one of these AI systems from the step-by-step tutorials I've included in the free guide. And secondly, how to run this one type of cold outreach in order to find your clients. That's it. You don't need to learn everything at once. You just need to master the simple and repeatable process. I want to be honest here. At the start, it's a real grind. Of course it's going to be. Starting a business isn't easy. This is just easier than basically any other way of starting a business right now. The real opportunity with a one-person AI business like this isn't just in getting clients. It's in what you do after you have them. Once your cold email client system is running, you'll be delivering the same thing over and over to the same type of client. And this is where your job starts to change. You need to stop being the worker and you need to start being the architect of your business. And your new mission is to identify your own bottlenecks and to use AI to destroy them. If you're spending way too much time preparing proposals for clients, you need to build an AI automation for that. If you're spending hours setting up the templates for each new client, then create a system for that. If you're wasting your mornings on reporting and keeping clients up to date and doing audits for them, then build an AI agent to do that for you. Your job at this point is to gradually automate yourself out of the business. This is why learning AI automation is the most powerful skill that you can have in the AI era. Over the past 2.5 years, I've taught millions of people how to do that here on this channel, so I'll include all of my best free guides on how to learn AI automation in the AI Solopreneurs Blueprint that you'll get in the description below. So what I'm trying to say here is that this video and the guide that comes with it is just getting you to the starting line. But this process of analyzing what you're doing and using AI and automation to do that for you, this is what gets you to the dream. A business making $10,000 to $20,000 per month on autopilot where you're only working for a few hours per day from anywhere in the world. And I can promise you that it is not going to be easy, but it will undoubtedly be worth it. So that's the plan. You have the map, the vehicle, and the route to your $10,000 a month AI automation agency.
If you find this video helpful, kindly like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for more content like this. I just react to this video because I find it interesting, I find it educative. I've watched it over and over and again to learn one or two things. I'm taking notes of everything I've learned there, and I believe that you will need it also. See you in the next one.